Hello, everyone. Welcome to Ethiopian Tradition YouTube channel. On this channel, I will take you on an exciting journey through Ethiopia's cultural treasures. This is more than just a channel. It's a space for all of us, Ethiopians and lovers of Ethiopian culture alike, to connect, learn, and share Ethiopian tradition languages, music, and dances with respective religion. So, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this journey with others. Together, let's preserve and celebrate Ethiopia's incredible traditions for generations to come. Thank you, and let's get started. Today, I will show you how to make soft and delicious injera, the most important traditional food in Ethiopia. Almost every Ethiopian meal is served with injera and dishes like Doro Wat or Shiro Wat. In this video, I will show you the traditional step-by-step method so you can make soft and beautiful injera at home. To make traditional injera, you need a few simple ingredients. Teff flour, or the main ingredient. Clean water. A little starter or yeast. Teff is very healthy, and it is one of Ethiopia's oldest grains. First, put the teff flour in a large bowl. Then slowly add water while mixing until it becomes a smooth batter. The batter should not be too thick and not too watery. After mixing, cover the bowl and leave it for fermentation. This is very important because fermentation gives injera its unique sour taste and soft texture. Now, we leave the batter for 2 up to 3 days at room temperature. During this time, natural fermentation happens. You will start to see bubbles and smell the traditional injera aroma. This step is what makes real Ethiopian injera different from other breads. Before baking, we take a small portion of the batter and cook it with water to make a paste called absit. Then, we mix the absit back into the batter. This helps make the injera soft, elastic, and full of bubbles. Now heat the traditional pan, called mitad. Pour the batter in a circular motion, starting from the outside to the center. After that, cover it and let it cook for about 1 minute. You will see many small holes forming on the surface. These holes are called eyes, and they show that the injera is cooked perfectly. Then carefully remove the injera and place it on a plate. Traditional injera is served with many Ethiopian dishes, such as Doro Wat, Shiro, vegetables, and meat dishes. In Ethiopian culture, family and friends gather around one plate and share food together, which makes the meal very special. That's how you make soft traditional Ethiopian injera step by step. Right, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful and entertaining. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell icon so you're notified every time I upload. Thank you so much for spending your time here with me. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.